welcome. My name is Simon Oshira from the University of Nairobi Herbarium. I would like to explain a little bit about the process that goes in plant collection, preservation. When you are about to collect, there are things that you require. These are secateurs. Plant press is an example of a plant press. Plant collection bags, you need a vehicle, there are things that you need and that are important for you to have a successful collection. Once you collect, you require to take your plants through several processes that will enable you to study the plant, and namely a plant collection. And in plant collection, as we have said, you require a press, and today I would like to demonstrate the process of plant pressing. When it comes to plant pressing, once you have cut your specimen using a secateur, you will ideally cut a representative of the plant. A good specimens, characters of a good specimens are, it should have a fruit. This one, like you see, this one it has a fruit, a flower. Those are a good specimens. Why these things? Is because you'll see certain characters that will enable you to identify, or enable the botanists to better identify the specimens. So before me is a specimen that I'd like to show you how you would go about ideally to press. When pressing, you have to consider how the plant is, and also you have to be artistic with it. You have to show the front part of the plant and the underneath of the plant. Why? Is because sometimes the underneath of the plant has certain characters like glands, hairs, also known as domantia, that also help in identification. So you have to place the specimen in a manner that will not be affected once you press. Like for instance, that orientation is better because you will be able to, when you put a weight on it or when you press, it will not become brittle and break, so that somebody can see the type of leaf it has, whether it is simple, whether it's alternate, whether it's pinnate, bipinnate, or other terms may be imparipinnate and peripinnate. So that's basically it. You have to remember, you need to also have a tag. You need to tag your specimens so that you may not know all the specimens you encounter in the field, but you need to have tags in your specimens so that you are able to know this is the first specimen, the second specimen, the third specimen. However many specimens you collect, you will have to track them such that the details you give later about the specimen, whether it was a tree, whether it was a shrub, whether it was a herb, can correlate with the specimen in the bench or in the field as you are pressing. So once pressing, as I had earlier intimated, is that you have to put some of the leaves to show the underneath of the leaf in some of the leaves, and you need to spread out the specimen or the plant specimen in such a manner that it is clearly, or it is beautiful, basically it. So once you do such, you press it down, you close your newspaper with your hand like this, and then you put a weight. It could be a book like this one, just a weight. It's just a counterweight that allows the specimen to lay or to stay as the way you have spread it out, so that it doesn't return to how it naturally was. And with that, let me say thank you for your time. Thank you.